everyone, so Arousar sent me their 48-piece gel nail polish kit. They have two of these, I believe. This one is the one with the browns and the pinks. I absolutely love this kit. It has some really great colors. I've used Arousar's gel polish before, and it's great polish. Very good quality. They're very pigmented. They're creamy. 90% of them are one coat coverage. I really love them a lot. Now, I was a little confused because the instruction manual here does say that pregnant women not to use them, and as far as I know and what I found out, pregnant women can use them as long as, you know, they're wearing gloves and are safe after the first trimester. But don't hold me on it, I'm not 100%. I do like that it comes with the instruction manual and like the ingredients list and all that. I think that's great. I've always loved their packaging too, the shape of their bottles. I think it's cool. This kit comes with a bunch of different top coats, including like the matte top coat. It's got a glow-in-the-dark top coat and a diamond top coat. Again, the polishes are really great. They're nice and pigmented, so you do have to be careful on the darker colors. The black one in my last kit that I got, I had a hard time curing it, but because once I put it in for longer, 90 seconds instead of 60, it cured no problem. That one's my favorite color. It's black with like a silver reflective glitter in it. I'm going to show you guys the colors a little bit better in my next video when I do the some swatches. The one thing I don't like about this kit and Arousar's polishes is the color on the top of the bottle doesn't always match what's in the bottle. I'd say about half to 75% of the time, the color in the bottle is completely different than the color on the top. So that can be a little annoying, but it's a quick fix. You get those little round, you know, display swatches, and you can just stick those on there. So anyway, this is a really great kit. I absolutely love it. You can find it on TikTok or on Amazon. If you need any help finding it, just let me know and I can send you a link. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you again, Arousar, for sending me this. Bye, everyone.